Hey everyone, Trina here, back with day 49 of the Mixed Media Project. Today we're going to do a little image transfer and do some other things, so let's get started. Got this hand sanitizer here. I ran out of my favorite one. I've been kind of playing with this one to see how it works, but I think we're going to get something good. I tried Purell, and that did not work at all. So this is an Inkjet transparency film, and I will link it in the description. It has to be the Inkjet, can't be laser print. And I think it works best when you use your brayer. And then I'm going to go back in with this. So I've been doing these for a while, and I ran out of my other hand sanitizer. So I just went and got Purell, because, you know, Purell, name brand, it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. So I apologize if you've been using Purell, but that's part of this experimentation. You would think that if it works with one, it will work with all. But that is not the case. So the stuff I'm using now is stuff that I bought during COVID, and I haven't, it's just sitting in the kitchen, so I thought I'd try it. Well, that was nice. Okay, straight away we're going to go in with the tree stencil, and I'm not sure how this is going to work with a marker, but I wanted to try it out. I don't know if the marker's going to work with these tiny little areas, but we're going to see. I might be destroying this marker too. It's getting kind of caught on the stencil. Do I want to bring it? I think. The kind of problem is knowing where to stop. Yeah, I'm going to bring it all the way through here because I don't like that little dip that's going on there. Yeah, the marker was not a good idea. It's kind of, I mean, it's working. It's just taking a lot more effort than I think it should. But this is how we learn, right? Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, that was bad. That was terrible. Okay, the marker did not work for that. But we can work with that, I think. Okay, I've got some bleached titanium down here, and I've laid down a mask. I'm just going to roll this out on the jelly plate. I'm learning the importance of masks and how they keep me from being crazy in my work and getting too much paint. So this is like another like scribble stencil. We're gonna try this one out. Let's see where we go. I think I just want to leave some white space there. It's similar to the tree, but it's a little different. Everything can't be the tree. Oh, the tree is pretty cool. I'm going to print a little bit over that black. That's nice because it kind of knocked that black back a little bit, so it's not so just a blob. Okay. Okay, so I've got some ivory black here, which is super thin. I'm gonna roll out a little bit of this, and I'm gonna take our lovely stencil that we love so much. Kind of be a little bit random about it. Ooh, that's fun. Okay, we're just gonna stop there. Let's print this. I've been watching this artist named Rebecca Vincent, who does exclusively monoprint on a press. She has some really fun, interesting techniques that I think if you're looking, I'm going to borrow some of her ideas. Obviously, I'm using a Gelli plate and then a printmaking press, but I think it translates, so look forward to that coming soon. Oh, that's really good. Okay, I don't know what we're doing here. We've got lots of little lines, so now we need to bring it all together. Okay, I've got some burnt sienna here that I'm going to roll out straight out of the tube. This is from Liquitex, their basics line. Okay, I don't think I want that much. I'm going to put it down here at the bottom. And I think I want to come in with my catalyst wedge, or Princeton tool here. Make some marks through here. That's a pretty color. Okay. We might get a little bit of that line in there too. That'll be okay. So we're going to need some solid shapes to kind of bring this all together. I need to figure out how we're going to do that. Ooh, that's pretty fun, don't you think? I like how this transfer kind of became the Payne's Gray today. And this kind of did too once we printed over the ivory. That's pretty neat. Okay, I've got some Mars Black and some white. I kind of want it to be dark up here, but lighter down here. We're going to see how this works. That's way too much black. I can tell you right now, I probably should have started with the white. That would have been a smarter thing to do. Okay, let's do the white now, since our hair's somewhat clean. I'm okay if it mixes just a little bit. Might need more brayers. I'm going to keep doing this. I don't want it to be, you know what I mean, like too ombre. Okay, that's probably good enough. Then we're going to take this tree stencil and just kind of do this. Again, I don't want it to be uniform. And I'm hoping I'm not getting a line in there, which I did. So we'll just go over it again. Okay. And I remembered to print on the right side of the paper. Oh, let's take this off first. Okay, let's see what we get. This might be really awful. My idea was, I don't know if I'm liking this now. Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna put the stencil down first because I want the pattern, not the negative space. Does that make sense? I think it makes sense. It's taken me a minute to wrap my brain around it. I had a little bit of ivory black on there, but I think that's okay. That looks more like what I want. I wanted what I did down here, and my brain wasn't getting that. Okay, so let's... I wanted to see how that would work on the jelly plate. I think it's probably just easier to do it with the stencil on the paper. That hurt my brain. But you can see we get a much different mark than we did down here. Ooh, that's fun. So I've got this Liquitex bronze paint. I'm just gonna put down here. I thought it might be nice to echo that color a little bit and bring in something new. See how this works with the color shaper. It should work fine. Ooh, this is gonna be fun, I can tell already. I want to bring it down. Maybe I just want that one little spot right there. Okay, stenciling continues. Okay, I'm gonna go in here and paint just a little bit through here just to get some bold black marks. Maybe a little bit through here. Almost with a dry brush. This is not a wet brush at all. That's good. So I've decided that I want to do more lines down here. Just a few. To kind of mimic the three. We've got these 3 lines going here. I think it needs, the black will be the continuing force through this piece, I think. Oh, I like that. So now we got this line and this thing here and this thing here. Yeah. Okay, so I think I want to put some of these circles through here to kind of bring in some blues. So I've mixed up this sort of Payne's gray. Just to kind of maybe give us a little bit of cohesion here. Let's see what we get. Because we haven't used the dots yet. Make sure we get in all the little spots. Okay. Ooh, I really like that. And just to add a bit of continuity, I'm just gonna put like some little dots through here. Just a little smidge of dots. Just to kind of bring it. I know they're hard to see, but. Okay, I'm just gonna add in a bit of white through here. And y'all, I made this whole thing with just stencils and a jelly plate. It's crazy. Okay, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna add just a skosh of these little, because it kind of reminded me of like birds flying, like in a formation almost. Last but not least, ink tints line. I might have smeared that a little bit, but I'm okay with it. Okay, so here it is with the matte. I really like what's going on here. I like all the layers that we got. It's maybe a lot, but I kind of like it. So the stenciling is really fun. I like the lines and all the different patterns. Maybe a little chaotic, but I think it works. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the next video, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 50, which is going to be the last day. I'm not going to be able to do the full 100. I've gotten really busy in my photography business, and I'm just not going to have time for daily videos, but I will be posting at least 2 videos a week. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.